Hazardous areas and maintenance guide for flameproof forklifts. Flameproof forklifts are often operated in hazardous areas such as combustible dusts and explosive gas or vapor, and it's extremely important that all safety procedures are adhered to. As the owner and end user of the forklift, it's vital that you follow correct procedures to ensure you can always operate it safely. Classification of hazardous areas. All hazardous areas of operation need to be classified as per ASN NZS 60079.10.1 Classification of hazardous areas. The first classification is made up of flammable liquids, gases and vapors, which is traditionally referred to as Class 1. The second group, known as Class 2, comprises dust, fibres and flyings. These areas are further classified into zones based on how long the hazard has been or is likely to be present. Note that if the area is classed under Zone 0 or Zone 20, the use of mobile materials handling equipment is not permitted. Zones applicable for flammable gases, vapors and liquids, formerly Class 1, Zone 0, flammable atmosphere continuously present or present for long periods, over 1,000 hours per year. Zone 1, flammable atmosphere is likely to occur in normal operations, over 10 hours per year but less than 1,000. Zone 2, flammable atmosphere is unlikely to occur in normal operations, under 10 hours per year. Zones applicable for dust, fibres and flyings, previously known as Class 2. Zone 20, area in which combustible dust as a cloud is continuously or frequently present. Zone 21, area not classified Zone 20 in which combustible dust as a cloud is likely to occur during normal operation. Zone 22, area not classified Zone 21 in which combustible dust clouds may occur infrequently and persist for only a short period. If you begin operating your forklift in a different area, or the nature or frequency of the combustible materials changes, it's essential that you conduct a review to ensure it remains compliant with ASNZS 60079.10.1. Training, maintenance and replacement parts. When it comes to the forklift itself, it's important to remain compliant with AS 2359.12, powered industrial trucks. This Australian standard covers all flameproof modifications, maintenance, replacement parts, operator training, pre-operation checks and more. In terms of maintenance, be sure to always document and store any records, and ensure all replacement parts are fit for purpose, interchangeable with the part being replaced and of no less quality. This applies to all major and minor parts. Parts such as fan belts and transmission belts need to be anti-static and fire resistant, and tyres must be made with conductive or anti-static material. It's also important that all your staff, even those not operating the forklift, are educated and trained on AS 2359 to equip them for the high risks associated with modified forklifts in hazardous areas. The importance of remaining compliant. By making use of the resources available in AS NZS 60079.10.1 and AS 2359, you'll be able to operate a modified forklift with full peace of mind. If you make any unauthorised modifications to your forklift or fail to follow the guidelines for operation in hazardous areas, you put yourself and other workers in danger. You also risk the forklift losing its statutory approval. Refer to the mentioned standards for more information and remember to refer to the manufacturer's guidelines. This has been Troy Gillen from Eureka Forklifts. You can call us on 07 3865 1205 in Brisbane for more information. Thank you.